So dear students, now we are going to do some questions of the triangles. So first we see similarity of triangles, and we have seen till now about the similarity of polygons, and now main topic in the syllabus of class 10 is similarity of triangles. So two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are the same ratio. You have done in the case of quadrilateral, but in the case of triangles, suppose it is ABC, other is you can write PQR and D here, P, Q and R. So in this case they are similar. If A is equal to P, B is equal to Q and C is equal to R. If three angles are equal, and in the second case their corresponding sides are the same ratio, means AB by this PQ, BC by this QR and this AC by PR. These ratio must be same. And for the angles, what I told you, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. So first case is for the angles, and second is for the, this ratio must be same. If you divide AB by PQ, if I make the values given, so if you find out these all must be same. So this criteria is fulfilled here. Similarity of triangles. And what is equiangular triangles? Equi means equal. Equal angles, equiangular. That means equilateral triangles are known as equiangular. Like for this case, if it is 60, it is 60, it is 60, it is also 60 in the second case. If these conditions, if each and every angle is 60, so we can say these two triangles are already similar and no need to find this corresponding sides, because if corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then they are known as equiangular triangles. And these equilateral triangles, you see here, the ratio of the two corresponding sides in the two equiangular triangles is always the same. That means equilateral triangles always they are similar, because each and every angle is 60. चाहे जितना छोटा ट्रायंगल हो चाहे जितना बड़ा ट्रायंगल हो, if here 60, here 60, here 60. So this type of triangles are known as equiangular, equal angles. Equilateral means all sides equal. Equilateral, inequilateral, all sides are equal and also all angles are equal. So equal angle 60. In सब को क्या बोलेंगे? They are the equiangular triangles. So one concept given by the Thales, and he was the Greek mathematician. He told that the ratio of any two corresponding sides in two equiangular triangles are always the same. Such type of triangles are equiangular and they are always similar. If they are similar, that means the ratio of any two corresponding sides in two equivalent triangles is always the same. So these are the concept of similarity of triangles. And thereafter we prove one theorem, BPT, otherwise you can say this Thales theorem. The next. So now students, you see this one theorem is most important in this exercise, basic proportionality theorem. We almost every year question exam में basic proportionality theorem, and in short we can say BPT, basic, B for basic, P for proportionality, T for theorem. And also we can say Thales. In the exam it will be asked state and prove BPT, state and prove basic proportionality theorem, otherwise state and prove Thales theorem, because Thales is the name of the mathematician and he has proved this theorem. So what is this theorem? Let's see here. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So now look here. So we have one triangle ABC. Check one second here. If a line statement is this: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. That means कोई एक लाइन का है, एक लाइन यहाँ पैरेलल ड्रॉ किया, this line and its name is DE. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, triangle के एक साइड BC है, इस पैरेलल ड्रा कर दिया D. D is drawn parallel to one side of triangle to intersect other two sides. AB में कट कर रहा है D में और AC में इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है E में. That is known as distinct points. The other two sides are in the same ratio. That means same ratio means AD. We are getting here this part AD and here this DB. So this ratio equal to that side A by EC. It is to prove. See, if line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, D एक parallel line है, BC के parallel D draw किया, तो अगर two sides, जो दो sides होगा, that means AD by DB equal to A by AC. It is to prove. It is known as BPT, basic property theorem. What we do here? Due to statement, what we write here? We write here, given a triangle ABC in which D parallel to BC, it is given. ये जो दिया है उसी को लिखा गया है. D किसके पैरेलल है? BC के पैरेलल है. To intersect, right, we write a short, intersect AB at D and this AC at E. D जब पैरेलल BC के पैरेलल ड्रॉ किया तो AB में D कट रहा है और ये जो है AC में इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है. So we need to prove what we need. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. तो ये प्रूव करने के लिए हमें थोड़ा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है. We need some construction work here. What we construct here? We join B to E and it is C to E. So join BE and B and CD. Also draw. देखो क्यों ऐसा किया? Why it is needed to join this? Because if we need AD, that time we should use the formula of area of triangle 1 by 2 base into height, and also draw here DM. We make dotted lines. DM it is 90 degree. We draw DM perpendicular to AC. ये जो है D से M में जो है परपेंडिकुलर किया, AC में DM डाल दिया और E से इधर यहाँ डाल दिया. सपोज इट इज M, इट इज आल्सो 90 and DM perpendicular to AC and EM perpendicular to AB. AB में जो है EM perpendicular to AB. It was a construction work. Then we prove. We will start. So what we do next? हिंट कहीं दिया गया है, we need 80 at first, 80 by dB. तो where we get 80? 80 कहाँ मिलेगा? 80 पाने के लिए हमको मिलना पड़ेगा ट्राइंगल ADE. So we write here area ADE and by इसके नीचे क्या मिलेगा? dB. and where is dB? dB. for the dB we take BDE, otherwise BED. BDE area of AR means area. BD area of triangle is written in the short form AR and AD. Equal to area of triangle is formula 1 by 2 base into height, also here 1 by 2 into base into height. So this 1 by 2 into base. Now see here AD ADE. In ADE, where is the base? Now see here AD. Look at this figure ADE. There is no height clearly mentioned here. So here one perpendicular. It is 90, also here 90. That means it is the perpendicular. And where is perpendicular stand? On the AD. That means base is AD. Height is N. Base is 80 into N. Down 1 by 2 into base into height in BD. Here BD. Here B, it is D, and here it is E. So where is base? Actually base is BD, and where is the height? If we extend this line, if you extend this line and reach up to N, so it is 90 degree. This triangle में हाइट नहीं मिलता है, उसको एक्सटेंड करके देखना पड़ता है कि 90 कहाँ पर मिल रहा है, that is the height. So it is the dB into EM. So logic is we need AD by dB. Actually 1 by 2 cancel, EM cancel, so we can get AD by dB. AD by dB question number 1. So we have got left hand side. Now next, for right hand side, what we take? Which diagonal we take? For the AE. Now area of for the AD difference AE for AE. Now see here for AE also we can take same triangle AD. AD में AE मिलेगा. So area of AD by now and EC का मिलेगा. Where do we get EC? EC we can find in DEC. So area of DEC. Same formula 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2 into basis. Now this side AD we need AE, so we can check this side. Base is AE and height is DM. AE into DM by again DEC area 1 by 2 into base into height DEC. DEC. In the DEC, base is EC, and if you extend this line up to M, we get DM. So EC into DM 1 by 2 cancel, DM cancel, A by EC. अब ये समझना है लॉजिक कि अगर यहाँ EN आ रहा है तो नीचे भी EN आएगा, और द कैंसिलेशन आता है यहाँ DM आ रहा है नीचे भी DM आएगा. So this equation number 2. So almost we have finished. AD by DB getting, AE by EC. Right side we are getting, but check left side. Here ADE by BDE and this AD by DEC. So these two sides must be same. AD is AD same. It is BD and it is DEC not same. To make equal, one theorem is here. Which theorem is? In class 9 you have studied this theorem. In same base and between same parallel, suppose the D it is BC, and in this common base D we have made this. BDE, and in the same base we had made here DEC. So both area will be same. So what was this theorem? We can write triangles BDE and DEC made on the same base. सेम बेस इज डी. इसी डी बेस में ये ट्रायंगल बना है और इसी बेस में ये बना है. सो एरिया विल बी सेम. इट वाज इन क्लास 9 मेड ऑन सेम बेस एंड बिटवीन सेम पैरेलल्स. व्हिच पैरेलल्स? डी और बीसी के बीच में पैरेलल्स. ये लिखना जरूरी है, डी एंड BC. That means due to this we can write therefore area of BDE is area of DC. This is question number 3. So using 2 and 3 equation using 2 and 3. 2 is ADE by, it is DEC. Now see, it is DEC. It is DEC. In the place of BEC, we can write BDE. Otherwise, in the place of BDE, we can write DEC in other place. BDE equal to this AE by EC equals number 4. So we can check here. This equation number 1 and this equation number 4. From 1 and 4, we get what we get here. In the equation number 1, left side area of AD by BD, and also here left side AD by BD. If left hand side are equal, so we can say right arches right hand side must be equal. That means right side of it AD इसका right side है AD by DB equal to this AE by EC. Hence proved. So it was the Thales theorem, or we can also say it is the BPT. Now next theorem is just converge of BPT. Converge means in the BPT which things were given, that is to prove converge of BPT. BPT का उल्टा नहीं कहेंगे माइनग्राफ सेंस में. Converge of BPT. What is this? If a line divides any two sides of the triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. तो BPT और इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है? What was BPT? In BPT, it will be given DE parallel to BC. It will be given, and we proved AD by DB is equal to AE by BC. It was a BPT. If any two lines is parallel, that means this ratio must be same. AD by DB is equal to AE by BC. It was BPT. But what is the converse? If a line divides any two sides of the triangle the same ratio, that means here this part is given. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. It is given. In BPT, parallel was given, but in the converse, it will be given AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So, what we get? By this theorem, DE parallel to BC is the result of converse of BPT, or we can say converse of Thales theorem. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC given, so we can say this DE parallel to BC. That means the line is parallel to the, this line is parallel to the third side, because it is first side, second side it is third. So it was the no need to prove this theorem, because only this statement will be used in this given questions. Now look at question number 1 in figure 6.17. This figure is 6.17 part 1. And to D parallel to BC, here D parallel to BC, it is given find AC number 1 and it is number 2. So I will solve this number first part and 2 is here for you for the practice. So number 1 is this solution given in any triangle. If D parallel to BC is given, directly write by using BPT. If parallel is given, directly write by what is BPT? AD by DB is equal to A by EC. Just we have proved this theorem. If D is parallel to BC, AD by DB is equal to A by EC. What is AD? AD is 1.5, DB is 3, equal to A is 1, EC. Do we find out this? Find EC. So by cross multiplication, 1.5 into EC equal to 3 into 1. So EC is equal to 3 1 3 by 1.5. Remove this point. After point 1 digit here, we put 1 0 here by 15 to 30, that means 2. So answer is EC is equal to 2 centimeter. It is answer. Very easy. Anyway, this parallel things, one side is parallel to other side. So directly we use BPT, AD by DB is equal to A by EC. So by this method, you can do remaining questions.